everyone, welcome back to YouTube Tips by Blessing. Here I help you to grow your channel and I help you to earn more with your YouTube channel if you are monetized, especially if you are creating content straight from your phone. Today's video is really important one because YouTube just rolled out its biggest monetization update for 2025 and most creators don't even know how to use it yet. This new update can literally double your income, and even if you don't upload any new videos, so make sure you watch to the end because I'll show you how to use each new feature and I'll show you step by step. Let's start with the biggest one, which is AI shopping. This one is one of YouTube's new 2025 features that uses artificial intelligence to automatically add shopping links into your videos. Let's say you made a cooking video. YouTube's AI can detect the product like the blender or the ingredients you used and automatically show shopping links under your video or inside the description box. That means if a viewer clicks and buys something, you earn money instantly without doing any extra work, Before, creators had to manually join affiliate programs or add product links, but now YouTube does the hard work for you. To activate this, you need to go to your YouTube studio, click on Earn, then Shopping tab, then turn on Allow AI Shopping feature. If you already have monetization, you will start earning products being tagged automatically over time. The second update is called Dynamic Brand Segments. This one is a total game changer for old videos. YouTube now allows advertisers to inject new brand deals into your existing content, even videos you uploaded years ago. That means your older videos that used to earn just a few cents can now start making fresh money through brand integration added automatically by YouTube. For example, if you made a skincare tutorial 2 years ago, YouTube's system can now place new skincare product sponsorship inside that video without you re-uploading it. You will see it in your analytics as brand segment earnings. This is huge because your entire video library can now work for you 24/7 like a passive income machine. So if you have been feeling like your old videos are useless, think again. YouTube is literally helping you revive your channel's earnings. Now let's talk about the most exciting one, which is AI paying you to create shorts. YouTube is now competing even harder with TikTok, Instagram Reels. To keep creators posting shorts, they have introduced new AI-powered short monetization tools. Here is how it works. When you upload a short, YouTube AI helps you analyze your video, adds the right captions and recommendations, trending sounds or visual effects. Then it pairs that short with AI brand promotion so you can earn ads revenue or brand paid directly from your short. In short, the more shorts you post, the more AI learns your niche and finds sponsors for your content automatically. So if you have been ignoring shorts, 2025 is not the year to skip it. Start posting consistently. Even short like 50 seconds videos can now earn you real money. Now let's connect everything together. YouTube's new system work automatically plus personalization. That means the more the algorithm understands your niche, whether it's food, tutorial, entertainment, the better the AI can match ads, sponsors, and shopping links to your video. So if you want to make the most money, focus on these 3 things. Number 1, stay consistent with uploads. AI rewards active channels. Number 2, keep your niche clear so YouTube knows what kind of brand to match you with. Number 3, engage with your audience. Comment, likes, watch time all boost your visibility and brand placement. Remember, YouTube is now seeing creators as business partners. The more you help the platform retain viewers, the more they help you earn. Let me quickly summarize what we have covered so far. AI shopping. YouTube adds product links to your videos automatically. Dynamic brand segment. YouTube puts new ads and sponsorships inside your old videos. AI shorts monetization. YouTube now pays you for shorts and connects you with AI powered brand promotions. These updates mean you can earn money from new and old videos and even from short clips. My advice: go through your YouTube studio this week. Turn on every new monetization feature. Update your videos titles and descriptions with clear keywords that helps the AI match you with the right sponsors. So that is it. YouTube's biggest 2025 monetization update explained simple. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with another YouTuber who is trying to grow and earn this year. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Tips by Blessing for more helpful tutorials like this. I post weekly videos that show you how to grow your channel faster and earn smarter, even if you are using just your phone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video right here.